What's up, everybody? I'm back with another tool deals video, and I have some major heat for y'all today. Stay tuned. We're going through all these tabs and we're gonna move fast. I just want to ask right now that you like this video, okay? Like it, let the YouTube algorithm know that we all in for some heat so that other people can take advantage of these deals. It's a Saturday before Black Friday. Let's get it on. First off, I want to remind you guys of this Metabo HBT Subcompact kit right here. You have this drill, very powerful drill for its size. Ergonomics is like perfect. Comes with two 2-amp-hour batteries. This impact driver is also very good. Ergonomics are perfect. Don't let the pictures fool you. I wish they had a picture of someone holding them in their hand, because these things are like microscopic, okay? You see the reviews, lifetime warranty, $179, and it comes with a free gift. So also, because I gotta click this out of the way, don't forget your racketing. Your racketing this weekend over at Lowe's is 6% cash back. Use the link in the description. It's a free cash back extension. Use the link in the description to sign up. When you do that, you'll get $40 in addition to the 6% cash back on your purchase. Now, let's see what Retail Me Not doing though. If you already done that and you got your bonus, go over to Retail Me Not and activate that 8% cash back. That's so significant. Now, you get a free tool to choose from. You got your reciprocating saw. You have a jigsaw, have a blower. You have an orbital sander. You have this 4K light. These lights are good. You have the speaker. The speaker's pretty good, but I wouldn't pick the speaker. And you have this oscillating tool, which is also very good. Throw that thing on auto and it's going to eat right through anything. Plaster, you name it, it's going to do the job perfect. This is a great bundle for that price. Moving on. And by the way, all of the links to all these things are going to be in the video. You're going to see it pop up or in the description. All right, moving on. Now, this is a daily deal, okay? So we have this Worx Workbench, doubles as a workhorse. I would recommend getting 2 of these because you can, again, use them as a workhorse. And then also, these can connect to other tables to extend. That has a whole bunch of different angles. There you go. I kept saying workhorse. Jeez, because I kept staring at this word. Sawhorse. My bad. And then you can connect them. It's like this guy has them connected. So these things are normally $150. The cheapest I've ever seen them is $89. It was on eBay like over a year ago. $99. There you go. There. Also, moving on over to Home Depot. We're about to get into some serious heat, y'all. We have these Diablo high-speed Spade bits. Be careful with these things, though, because that little tip is going to pull you into whatever you drill into. So just make sure you're taking it easy on the throttle. 1988, this comes around every season. And I like these a lot. Very capable bits. But also, I like that they come in their own little pouch right there. Some of the Milwaukees don't do that. Moving on, we also have these circular saw blades. Get a 2-pack for $12.88. Moving on over, we talked about this already like a month ago, but I just want to remind you guys that this Milwaukee BOGO is one of the best BOGOs this year, okay? So you have the 2 5-amp-hour batteries and a charger for $199, of course, and you come over here, you get to choose from your free gift. Now, this inflator, very good inflator, breaks down to be under $100. I can't remember exactly how much it is. I think $96. We'll go back and double check. Be careful with these other ones, though. It's not a lot of non-fuel tools. You do have this angle grinder. You have the router. You have the M18 hacksaw. You have the M18 fuel jigsaw, which is a very good jigsaw. You have the Surge impact driver. So you have some really good deals here, some really good tools to choose from. Take advantage. These are tools that everybody needs in their toolbox. This router, the hacksaw, the jigsaw, the impact driver, the angle grinder, and also this inflator if you don't already have one. I also do like the Rigid, though, because the Rigid can plug into the DC cigarette lighter, so I like that one the best. But this one is more powerful. It's quieter. It's better, right? And for under $100, it's a no-brainer. So let's go and add that to the cart, see what that breaks down to be. $94.24. I said 96, so I was close. So $94.24. Can't beat that. You won't see this that cheap ever. Now, how do you get that? You don't necessarily have to keep the batteries. You can return this starter kit, but obviously if you're new to the game, you want to keep this whole kit because this inflator is $179 by itself. So for extra $20, you get 2 5-amp-hour batteries and a charger. That is a beautiful, beautiful deal right there. Moving on, we had this Milwaukee mechanic tool set with this 90 tooth ratchet. for $99. And you might say, oh, the Husky has more pieces. Look here, look here, look here. This ain't your Husky, though. I have both. I never talk about these because I feel weird using them. They have like the square-shaped sockets to prevent roll away. They still will roll away, but it slows them down for sure. And then also you can put a wrench on the end of them. Let's see if we can see a picture of somebody actually doing that. No, but oh, there we go, right there. You can put a wrench on the end of it to turn it. You ain't ever seen nothing else like that. This is literally pretty much half off. Now, these are like the Rolls Royce. The Rolls Royce, absolutely, okay? Lifetime warranty on this thing. It's hard to explain because I don't use them that much. I feel guilty. They're that nice. I feel guilty using these. So that's how nice they are, and that's all I have to say about it. I have them, I just feel guilty. I barely touch them because they're just so beautiful and well-machined and just perfect. Now, for them tight places, though, when I need to put a socket on there and then get a wrench on it, I'll go use these. But other than that, I'll use the Huskies. I don't mind beating those up. Moving on, we have this Milwaukee M12 battery BOGO. 5 amp hour high output battery with a 2.5 amp hour high output battery. Let's see what it is. I thought it was a great price for $149, but shoot, what is this going to be now? Let's see. Add that thing to cart. This thing breaks down to be $97.37. So $97.37 for these two batteries. Crazy deal right there, y'all. Crazy deal right there. Moving on, we have another Milwaukee crazy BOGO. Again, this for $199 was an incredible deal. This right angle die grinder is normally $169. Then you have the high output 5 amp hour battery plus the high output 2.5 amp hour battery with the charger. $199 was insane. And it's a BOGO. Let's go ahead and add this to the cart. We might have to remove the other thing. Let's see if this gives us a new price. $142.45 for all of that. This is less than just the die grinder itself. $142.45. I'm gonna have to grab that. I'm gonna have to grab that myself. Jesus Christ, I need those batteries. I don't even care about the die grinder, but I need those batteries. Moving on, we have this Milwaukee cutoff tool for $99. This only comes around, once a year. You usually have to do a BOGO to get it for less than $100, but $99 there. Now, I want to share this with you guys. You can't buy it online, or maybe you can. We just have to see. So we have the DeWALT cutoff tool, which is far more powerful than the Milwaukee, but the Milwaukee will still do some good work. And I like the Milwaukee too because the dust collector is universal. The DeWALT is proprietary. I have a video up there. You can look at all the comparisons. I'll link it up here in the upper right hand corner. But this thing still get the job done. I've used this to cut through plaster and it did it perfectly. I think I might have some video of that. If I do, I'll plug it in right here. But yeah, I've cut through plaster this just fine. $99. I like that deal. Now going back over to the DeWALT deal. If you buy this DeWALT grease gun kit, it's a kit for $249 with a 4 amp hour battery and a charger. You actually get the cutoff tool as a free BOGO. Now, this is sold out online, but you might be able to finagle this. Use the app to find it in store, and this might be able to break something down for you in store. Okay, so just find a store that have both of these in stock, and you should be able to take advantage of this deal. I have no idea what this will break down to be, but I'm gathering this might be close to $100 roundabout, or even if you wanted a grease gun kit, because this is a whole kit, this will be under $200. So good deals there. All right, coming on over to Amazon, we have this XTOOL OBD2 scanner, has lifetime updates. Look, all the XTOOL stuff is really good. I like them. I'm not gonna spend a lot of time on them. I like them a lot. The only thing is, the thing with the dongles like this, you have to make sure that when you're doing updates, the car is on. So you have to keep that in mind, and they are very comprehensive, so the updates can take a little while. So that's something to keep in mind. Again, lifetime updates here. This is on sale right now. You have a 20% coupon if you have Amazon Prime. This will automatically drop down to $49.49 plus the 20% coupon. And I'll leave a coupon code in the description for you to get this for $27. Moving on, they have another one, the D7, which is very, very good. Now, this is one of the ones I like. I prefer these because they're super comprehensive. This thing will even read all the codes and stuff off my Phaeton. I have a video for that as well showing you that. I'll link it up here in the upper right hand corner so you can check that out. I like this one because you can bring it in the house, plug it into the wall, and connect to the internet, and it'll update and do its thing. This thing is constantly always updating. Very good there. So this comes with a $35 coupon if you check here, and I have a code that will bring this thing down to $285. Also, if you have Prime, when you just log in, this thing will be $377 plus 35, and plus the code, it'd be $285. Can't beat it. It's excellent for mechanics. Free 3-year updates after that you got paid, because again, this thing is super comprehensive. It's bi-directional. The other one I don't think was bi-directional. That'd be insane if it was. But yeah, this was bi-directional, meaning it can speak to the car. You can move the seats and all that from this little device right here. Pretty darn cool. Moving on over to eBay, we have some EcoFlow refurbished deals. EcoFlow Delta 2. Delta 2, y'all, is on sale for $479. This is the cheapest I've ever seen it. Keep in mind, their refurbished units still have the 5-year warranty. When you get it registered, still has a 5-year warranty with a parallel all-state warranty as well. So for the first 2 years, you have 2 different warranties, one through EcoFlow and one through Allstate. Through eBay, can't beat it. $479. This is cheaper than it's actually cheaper than the refurbished River 2 Pro. I love the River 2 Pro, but for the price, you might as well grab a Delta 2. You get larger capacity, you get expandable capacity. This thing would do 1,800 watts out. With a boost of, I think, up to 2,400, something crazy like that. One of the best portable power stations I've ever used. The app support with the EcoFlows is just amazing. What I mean by app support on your phone, the stuff you can do with the app. Check out some of my reviews. I'll leave one up here in the upper right-hand corner. Also, their regular River 2 is on sale. The refurbished one for $119. You can get the Delta 2 on sale at their website, and I'll leave a link to that as well for $699. And that's not a whole lot. That's a huge difference. It's a $220 difference. So honestly, shoot, for less than one on sale at $699, you can have this and a River 2 for less money. I would go that route. These River 2s are super mighty. These things will do it with X-Boost on, 600 watts out. You really can't beat that. 256 watt hours though, but that's expected in the small little form factor here. I love the EcoFlow products, y'all. Moving on, Olight is also having a Black Friday sale. It starts on the 20th, so I'll make another video just reminding you guys. They have some new products that they released. These are cool because they look like cigarette lighters. Just to give you a little preface of what these are like. So they have these little cigarette lighter looking things, but what they actually are power banks. So you can charge a flashlight, you can charge a power bank, and when you're out camping or going out and about, if this goes low, you can just pop it inside of here in its case, and the case will charge it back up, and then you're going again. This case will charge it 4 times. So with this and this little flashlight, you'll have 5 charges on one charge. All right, crazy. It's gonna be $69.99. There should be some other little deals with it coming with a free gift. Yeah, here's one $79.99. I love this green. This green and gold is beautiful. And they have this little pen. These little pens are actually pretty good. I actually write with this quite often. It's super smooth. It is small, but I like its little teeny form factor now. So yeah, I actually don't even use the big Star Spangled Banner one anymore because this is always nearby and it writes really well. Moving on to Vevor, and we're gonna wrap up at Vevor today. Just want to show you they're having Black Friday deals. And again, going back to eBay, I forgot to mention, they do have Rakuten. So if I forget to mention Rakuten, just check. They have Rakuten, you'll get 1% cash back. And again, if you're new, use the link in the description, you get $40 cash back. Olight also has Rakuten, but again, that's on the 20th. You'll get 4% cash back and that $40 when you're new. And Vevor also has Rakuten. If you ever thought these places were sketchy, they're not, because again, they affiliated with Rakuten too. Get 2% cash back plus your $40. Brand new. All these links will be in the description. They have this cordless angle grinder kit for $63.69 plus your Rakuten. Is it good? I don't know. I never used it, but for $63 with free shipping, I tried. Now, word on the street is a lot of Vevor products use Makita batteries. I don't know if this one does, so you have to be the guinea pig for that. I could reach out to them, but obviously, I won't be able to reach out to them in time to get one to try, but this is also a brushless tool at that. I thought it was brush. I didn't even know it was brushless. $63? That's crazy. Crazy. Moving on, we have the self-leveling green laser level. Whole kit coming with a hard case, stand, charger. Then this green thing right here can help actually make the blinds a little brighter. $61.99. Usually these things are hundreds of dollars. Okay, cheapest one I've seen, $170, something like that. I reviewed it, the Lasgoo, and the Lasgoo is pretty darn good too. But honestly, all these things are kind of very similar. The Dovo has wonderfully bright lines. It's great for outside, but $61.99 for that bad boy right there. Again, they're normally $100 something. The Lasgoo is the cheapest one I've seen. It was like $1 something. So yeah, there you go with that. Then we also have another one that has 4 lines for $79.99. Has a few more accessories. Moving on, we have, now I actually want this myself, this Steam Mop 8-in-1 hardwood floor cleaner. And here's the thing, the Steam Mop, yeah, that's all good and everything, but look at this, y'all. It doubles as a hand steam cleaner. That's crazy for stuff like car vents. Like car vents or just getting like bugs off the paint. You know, you gotta be careful that you don't pull the paint off, but car vents, stuff like that, oh my gosh, this is incredible. So there you go with that, $60.99. And finally, we have this garage heater. I have one. You're gonna have to have this professionally installed or just professionally install it yourself because this runs off 240, 7,500 watts. This thing heats up garages and stuff really, really fast. But again, it is pretty versatile on where you can set it or mount it to the wall, to the ceiling. But again, you will have to wire this to 240. So keep that in mind. It's not just a regular plug and play thing. And that is it for today's video. Hopefully this was helpful. I'm going to play around with a new thumbnail because there's other people with smaller channels getting all the views, y'all. What is going on? Share this video if you got some value from it. Consider subscribing so you don't miss any deals in the future. And I'll see you guys next time.